A home is not just the physical space we inhabit. It is a harbor for our emotions, a cradle for our relationships. And the living room is the heart and public square of this home. This is the place where family members communicate, share, and connect. The harmony of the living room's energy field directly determines the quality of family relationships. The core of living room, Feng Shui, for promoting family harmony, lies in creating an energy field that is gathering, stable, and warm. Gathering gates that energy and people congregate here, rather than being scattered and lost. Stable means that family relationships have a solid foundation and are not prone to conflict. Warm represents love, communication, and the smooth flow of emotions. A living room with good Feng Shui should make every family member feel willing to stay, relax, and interact here. So, how can you, through simple layouts, create a living room energy field that promotes harmony for your family? Rule 1. The placement of the sofa is crucial. The main sofa should be placed against a solid wall, forming a solid backing configuration. This symbolizes that the family has reliable support. At the same time, the sofas are best arranged in a U shape or an embracing formation, as if opening its arms to welcome the family to gather, which helps to gather, Avoid placing the sofa directly under an exposed beam. Rule 2. The living room needs a focal point. This focal point can be a TV wall, a beautiful piece of art, or a fireplace. A clear focal point helps the family's energy and attention to have a common point of convergence, which contributes to building family cohesion. Rule 3. Choose harmonious art and decorations. The artwork hung on the living room walls has a powerful suggestive effect on the family atmosphere. Choose themes like family photos, harmonious landscapes, or calligraphy with auspicious meanings. Avoid hanging art depicting lonely figures, fierce beasts, or paintings with overly cold tones. The living room is where your family's story is written. Every corner of it witnesses the laughter, sharing, and growth of your family members. By applying the wisdom of Feng Shui to shape it into an energy field full of love and harmony, we give the best possible gift to our family. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will explore a fascinating topic full of ritual. Thank you for watching.